Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Ridgeline battery. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents accidental starts and keeps the vehicle stable. Next, open the hood and find the battery, noting the positive and negative terminals for proper disconnection. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal. Use a wrench to loosen the clamp, then carefully remove the negative cable. It's crucial to keep this cable from touching any metal parts of the car. After that, proceed to the positive terminal, loosen its clamp and remove the positive cable. This order prevents short circuits. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old battery out, prepare for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors to ensure a good connection. Place your new battery firmly into the tray, making sure it's stable. When connecting, always attach the positive cable first, then the negative cable. Tighten both clamps securely, but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.